In today's video, I am going to teach you how to clear Figma cache. If Figma feels sluggish, projects aren't syncing, or you are seeing odd glitches, clearing the cache is a quick way to refresh the app without reinstalling it. I'll show you the built-in reset option first. Then a manual method you can use if the app doesn't open or the reset doesn't resolve your issue. Start by opening the Figma desktop app. Look to the top right of the toolbar for the small toggle arrow. Click that, go to Help. Then select Troubleshooting and choose Reset Figma and Restart. Figma will close and relaunch on its own. This command clears cached data and refreshes the application state, which often fixes performance hiccups and display quirks. Give it a moment after it restarts. It may take slightly longer to load as it rebuilds what it needs. Before you run this, make sure your work is saved and synced. Just to be safe, if you can't use the in-app option or you want to clear things manually, here is how. First, close the Figma desktop app completely. It's important that no background processes are left running, so press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for any Figma entries and end them so everything is fully closed. Next, open the Start menu and in the search box type the path to Figma's data folder %appdata%\Figma. Press Enter. This opens the Figma directory inside your roaming app data, which stores the desktop app's cache and profile data. In this folder, find the desktop and desktop profile folders. Delete both of these folders. You are only removing cached and local profile data for the desktop app, which Figma will recreate. Avoid deleting anything else in that directory to keep other applications unaffected. Once those two folders are deleted, relaunch Figma. On first launch, expect it to take a bit longer than usual as it rebuilds its cache and prepares a fresh environment. This clean start typically resolves stubborn issues that the standard reset might miss. If you had projects open previously, just reopen them from your recent files list. Going forward, if performance starts to dip again, try the in-app Reset Figma and Restart first. And use the manual method as a thorough fallback. That's it. Thanks for watching.